Now that we know how to tell the report where our data is and also how to create data sets, let's go and create a parameter that will limit the data that we show to the user. For example, if we only want to show some specific category ID. To do so, we need to add a parameter to our report. Right-click on Parameters, click on Add Parameter. We will call it Category ID. And the prompt, we will also call the Category ID. Data type, it is an integer. Allow null and allow multiple values, we will leave this as it is. And select parameter visibility, we will click on the visible. Click on the OK. And now we have a category ID parameter. We now need to use this parameter in our dataset. Go to the datasets and click on the dataset where we are using the category table. Right click on it, click on the dataset properties, and we will write a where clause to our SQL. Where category ID, we need to also close this within the square brackets. Is equal to question mark. What we also need to do is go to the parameters and tell that this parameter with this question mark is using this add category ID parameter value. Click on the OK. Let's save it. And let's test it or run it here in our report builder. The report builder is asking us what category ID we want to show to the user. Let's type in, for example, 3 and click on the View Report. And as you can see, only the category ID 3 is shown. In next video, I will show you how you can use this from within Excel.